my skin. So this is love. I know it is. I know it sounds super cliche, but you make me feel some type of way. This is falling, falling in love. I got a lot on my mind, got some more on my plate. My baby got me looking forward to the end of the day. What you say? You and me, just forget about the past, throw it in the trash. What you say? You and me, live the life we never had, like we're never going back. I'm just not realizing this window doesn't have a window. It's just a hole. What you could be? MTV Cribs. Shot time. You taking shots? Yeah. Yeah. Shake that ass, bitch. Shake that ass, bitch. They say this building is built in 1995, but I don't believe them. Like, look how thick these walls are. It's craftsmanship. I'm conflicted. I haven't had an appetite in like 3 weeks, right? But I want to drink. I can't eat, but I want to drink. We get it, but the whole ain't mine. Mine, nigga. I cannot commit you.
So she only eats Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea. How the adult call, I feel like I could lift a tree up. See too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make it sound like you the feature.
I can't open it. Crown me. Tequila to rum.
Oh, brother.
Oh, brother.
We're in Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. Chicoche. That was actually quite smooth.
Yeah.
Y dime si tú sola en la cama te toca, te quitas la ropa y tú misma estás loca. No te hagas la loca, mamá, que tú estás grandota. Mueve esa nalgota pa' comerte completota. Así que dime si tú sola en la cama te toca.
We're recording that.
Is it in the background? That's just me. The sun is
Is it in the background?
I don't know. Oh, yeah. Guess we'll find out.
Everybody, wepa!
The scientists say the closest living ethnicity to the perfect human being is Puerto Rican. Pues, mi papi says, don't tell me something I already know, and mi mommy with one hand says, no me diga, and with the other calls los tíos y las tías, and I told lo primo, and we screamed, wepa! Forgetting that word could either mean we are celebrating or someone made a mistake. What a word to pull itself in two different directions, a branch to the sky and a root to the earth. Aren't we always trying to bridge impossible history? And everyone wonders why Puerto Ricans never let you forget that they are Puerto Rican. You ever feel the tombstones break open in your stomach and your ancestors' words climb out as if you've been digesting 206 bones for centuries? But I don't say that. I say vete pa'l carajo because that's how we said we were perfect before science figured it out. The last time science gave us anything, it was a eugenics masquerade, a celebration of mistakes. Puerto Rican babies thrown in the sky, their mothers scrubbing red confetti off the dance floor. A century later, they want to tell us we are the nearest neighbors to the perfect genetic makeup. Wepa, for the word that taught my people to celebrate in the darkest roots of mistakes. Wepa, for when strangers ask, no, where are you really from? Say colonization made a mistake, pero papi, you can celebrate all of this anyway. Wepa, for the African diaspora, for the Afro-Latino, for the Black Boricua, for my classrooms in South Africa were purposefully shattered Bibles. The way the words colored and Latino were just crosswords to hang a stranger's God upon, and I don't want whatever resurrected that day, my God, exists for the days when strangers ask, no, isn't Ancestry.com enough? No, we have family trees, plural. Say the ceiba tree and the poplar tree are just two lovers who lost each other across the ocean for so long. Strangers had to tell them what became of their children, and everyone wonders why our feet speak spiritual, that Espiritu Santo, all chained throat for the day we left El Campo. My father calls it Puerto Rico's progress. Chapped lips for the colonizer savior complex, salivating over boats, Bibles, and goddamn science. The reason I carry my ancestors' tombstones in my belly and let each bone fly like a campesino's machete. Every poem about Puerto Rico was false tongue confetti, a failed God metaphor to make your white Jesus's heart feel heavy. How I must perform my heaven while yours is perfect with no science to prove it. You ever feel strangers break you open, tell you the inside is perfection and the outside is no God at all? But I don't say that. I say wepa. I say yokahu. I say praise this.
Welcome to Puerto Rico, Martians, la isla del encanto. Salsa, beautiful morenas and bombazos. That's right, the island of Borinquen, east of Española, formerly inhabited by the indigenous tribe of Taínos. Until this motherfucker right here, Christopher Columbus, this fraudulent mamabicho, this murderer of the high seas, this pillager of the village people. My mans, you was lost and were found spinning around in circles, saved, brought back to the island, only to cut off the hands of the Taínos who threw you a fishing line. They should have left your ass in the ocean for the Africanos to pull you back in and beat you with their chains, whip your ass with their grandmama's chancletas. Save us from the 500 years that you set the fuck off, because it was all goody with the hoodie, so you came over here with the Queen of Spain with her dry titty in your mouth and your pale God complex. That's right, I said it. Fit up, Cristobal Colón.
Cheers, boat ride. Cheers to boat ride. Oh. I did it. Woo!
Finger, like my ring. Wow. We found the end of the rainbow.
We found the end of the rainbow.
Can you see me? Wait, man. Too close. She's changed her tune. She said, I'm drinking if I'm here.
I'm If I kicked you in the face, that would be very tragic.